I've gathered some information that might be helpful or useful, or just to give you an idea of what it's going to take to begin your journey. And I'll start now. So, first thing you'll need is a drone, of course, and the cost may vary, depending on if you want to start small or just dive right into it and get the most expensive drone there is out there. But I would not advise that. But some people do and are successful. And that cost will vary depending on the make model of the drone. For a professional drone service, you're looking at purchasing a drone anywhere from 1,500 to 5,000. And so you're looking at a drone that can complete inspections, that has the high resolution camera, complete inspections, or real estate, or whatever industry you need the drone. The higher end, of course, have more capabilities than the lower end drones. So most drones come with the gimbals or the uh, the camera, and if they don't, and maybe you're customizing your drone, you're looking at anywhere from 500 to 2,000. Some people will buy a drone and then buy maybe a thermal imagery gimbal or piece that they can add to their drone, as opposed to buying a $5,000-$6,000 drone. Batteries and chargers. When you're in a business and a professional environment, you want to have a lot of batteries. Most drones, their flight time could be from 20 minutes to, I've seen some that say they're 45 minutes. So I'm assuming the 45 is a higher end in drone. And you're looking at buying at least 3 or 4 extra batteries, which could cost or range anywhere from 100 to 300 or more. Chargers usually come with the drone as well. But if you have to purchase them separately, they range from 50 to 200 plus. Okay. Flight controllers, if you want a higher end flight controller, the drones, and they can run from 200 to 500 or more for controllers. Mobile device or tablet, that's an expense, and that could be anywhere from 300 to 1,000. Storage or memory cards. You do need a storage or memory card to hold the captured imagery or video that you take with your drone. That could be anywhere from 100 to 500. That would also include maybe an external memory device or hard drive. So, of course, that could range way well above $500, depending on the storage capacity that you need. You do want a protective case, such as a backpack or something that will protect your expensive drone equipment, whether it's 1,500 or 5,000. It's still it's your livelihood. It's the thing that generates your money. So of course you want to protect it. That can range anywhere from $100 to $300. So any software that you may need, that could be anywhere from 100 to 1,000, depending on the software. I know with the 3D models and pictometry and things like that, software packages like that, they are costly. Okay, insurance. You would want to purchase liability insurance just in case. No one ever expects to have an accident or damage anyone's property, but insurance that would vary. I guess depending on where you live, what type of drone you have, things like that. Business licensing and permits. Business licensing, I guess it depends on how you plan to deliver your product and, what type of business you have. If you have a storefront location or something like that, you may need a business license and permits. Um, it depends on, that's research that you would have to conduct, depending on the type of business that you have. Marketing and branding budget. With social media, you do get a lot of free marketing and advertising. Some sites, depending on again the size of your business and your budget, you can that's open ended for anywhere from 1,000 to 5,000. And training and certifications. If you need extra training um, for any type of service that you provide, such as the thermal imagery, that would require, well, with me, it would require training. So that could range anywhere from 500 to 2,000. That these costs are estimates and can vary based on your location, your business scale, and specific. It's important that you do your research and compare prices from different suppliers to get the best value for your investment. Additionally, budgeting for ongoing maintenance and equipment upgrades as your business grows and technology evolves is also something you should consider. Thank you for listening. I hope that helps. Have a great day.